business called Tynka. Tynka is a brand by Ivy Bina, who is all about inspiring people. She's currently helping people build their business dreams and transform the world into an oasis of opportunity through her company. She founded Tynka, spending 3 years working in the financial industry, where she discovered the immense resources, knowledge, and wealth investors, but did not find the right people and projects to match their interests. Ivy will then let us know what exactly Tynka is doing and her journey. So welcome, Ivy. And if you could share with us your journey, as you said, you saw a gap, you're providing a solution, and it is digital. So welcome, Ivy, to the Africa Trade Conference, and please share what it is that you're doing for businesses. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Anne, and thank you for inviting me to this conference. And I'm glad to meet all of you online, and I hope we can interact more. So my name is Ivy Bina, and I'm the founder of Tynka. So Tynka is an online platform where we help people find business partners and investors. So I would like to show you my presentation so I can be able to take you through what Tynka is, why Tynka, and how we do things in Tynka. So please allow me to share my screen. The reason why, okay, so I just recently came across this quote that said, we as human beings can only be of value when we contribute to other people and other people contribute to us. And I saw that it really matches up with what the vision for Tynka is, and that is building partnership between businesses, between people. And when you look down through history, you'll find that people have been able to create the society that we currently live in, the nation that we currently live in, the globe that we currently live in, through partnership. Like I myself cannot be able to create a world on my own. I need somebody else. And that's why we have amazing businesses out there like Apple that Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak came to build. We have those are individual partnerships. We have private and public partnerships. Those are the government and private institutions. We have private partnerships that happen between different companies. We have public partnerships. We have regional partnerships such as the COMESA, the ECOWAS, global partnerships like the United Nations, and mobilized partnerships like crowdfunding, whereby we're raising money or bringing people together to raise funds so that they can meet up, they can help for charity causes or build schools or even help businesses and startups everywhere. So for us as human beings, for us as Tynka, we need to partner up with people so that we can be able to contribute and build this society. So this with this in mind, we have created Tynka so that we can be able to bring businesses together and people together so that we can be able to contribute to our society. So in short, Tynka is a peer-to-peer platform which connects people with business partners and investors across the globe. So we have built an Android application right now. It's currently on beta test. We have it at your Play Store. You can download it, and it's actually coming up on App Store. And what we basically do is you as a person, you can post your business idea or the projects that you have created and what you're working on. Then users can be able to find that project when they're interested in it. They can contact the project owner, and even they can also invest in the project if they want to invest in the project. So by making a bid. So I've had this a lot, and I'm actually talking to people about what Tynka does and what it is. And they say it's like finding your next, what your next date's like on Tinder. So instead of Tinder, now you have Tynka, so where you can find a business partner. So the application is actually, I had in the previous discussions where we were talking about online platforms, whether they are user-friendly, and it's very user-friendly. You can be able to log in very easily, see the projects, see how long the project is. As you can see over here, we have like the project name, what they are looking for in a partner. You have the duration of the project, how long the project is gonna be. That is for the short-term projects that have a lifespan. And then we have long-term projects. You can just say whichever project you are in, you want, and how long you want it to be. Then I didn't want to display most the application itself to show all the technicalities in it, but I wanted to give you like a brief view so that you can get to have an understanding of what Tynka basically is. And so if you want to partner up, you can apply to be a partner in whichever project or business you want. And if you would like to invest, you can also invest over there, which is going to take you to another screen, which is going to make it possible. So then what does Tynka do? So Tynka basically, we help foster communication between parties who want to collaborate. That is individuals and businesses that want to work together, who share the same vision, or who believe in an idea or a concept that they can both work in. Perhaps they have different expertise, or they have different resources, or they can bring something different to the table that can help a business grow. And we are also creating a marketing avenue for businesses from inception. So instead of bringing in clients like at the end when the project probably is launching, or when the project is at its fruition or maturity stage, we want to help your business grow with the clients. Like, your clients can be able to see how your business is growing throughout the process, like what partners are you looking for, what are you doing currently, how are you growing your company. You can even invite your clients to be investors in your company. Are they going to be shareholders? How are they going to contribute to your business? Whichever way it is, anytime you're putting your brand out there, whether you're starting the company or whether the company is mature itself, that's actually a marketing avenue for your business. And then in Tynka, we're able to help the user select the projects and businesses that suit the partnership and the investment interests. So you'll be recommended for the investment opportunities that are actually aligned to your goals or to your interests, or the partnerships that you want. For instance, if you are in marketing, you can find projects that are suitable for your kind of skills. Or if you are in finance, if you are in tech, you can be able to find those projects that are perfect for you. And then because it's an online platform, we do understand that there are some risks when it comes to trading, or when it comes to interacting with people who you don't really know. And so we want to ensure that the transactions that take place online are facilitated in the platform. And I know there's so many platforms out there that usually do this, and they ensure that there is security in the platform, whereby any transaction that takes place in the platform is both parties are going to have to agree before any transaction takes place. That is when it comes to investment opportunities. But when it comes to just basically interacting, like talking, whether you want to be a partner, that you can do. Communication is peer-to-peer, so you can do that on your own. And then Tynka, what we aim at Tynka is accelerating world development by linking brilliant minds with each other and with resources. Because as Anne was mentioning, there is a gap in us. I say that there is a gap in our society. There are people out there who have a lot of resources, and there are people out there who have amazing ideas, amazing businesses, even just like what this platform is doing right now. It's trying to connect these amazing businesses with people who have amazing ideas, or people who have resources and brilliant minds. So we want to do that. We want to build up on that so that we can continue linking people together, so that we can continue building dreams and building businesses that transform our economy, help, like in Kenya, build up the Vision 2030, help the globe, help Africa, everybody in the world to be able to accomplish something. So what is our way forward? So our way forward as per strategy, I remember, I don't remember her name, but there was somebody in the digital sector who was talking about how we need to test our applications or test our platforms and grow. And that is what Tynka is aiming at. We want to listen to our clients. We want to listen to what people out there are saying. And we are testing our projects, or our product, and growing, listening to what kind of partnerships do you want? How can we make partnerships really effective and good for you? How can we bring more investors on board? So we want to listen to you and be able to grow the company. And then we are also technologically driven. So Tynka, being a digital platform, we are working online. We are working with partners online, or everybody who's there is going to be online. And for us to be able to provide or give you a service that is really good to you and that is effective, that meets your needs, we need to be able to understand you. And by this, we're going to be using machine learning technology so that we can find the right projects for you, the right business for you, and we can find the right partners for you. And we're also going to be incorporating blockchain technology. I had it being talked about earlier, and blockchain technology is such an amazing technology in this era and in coming years, whereby all the projects or all the businesses that are going to be listed on the platform, we're going to be able to track the ownership for that business and identify it to the user. And when it comes to investment, because you do know that investments usually come with a share, how much a share is the company going to take from me and how much investment am I giving to that company. So we can be able to track the transfer of shares from one party to another. And hopefully in the near future, one day when the block exchange has been created, probably we can also be able to list our businesses out there. Now, instead of the stock market, you're going to have a stock exchange, you're going to have like a block exchange where everything is going to be efficient, everything is going to be accounted for, traceable, like things like technology is really booming. And this is the right time and the right place for us to thrive in. And I think Tynka is strategizing itself to be among those companies that is headed there. So yes, if you would like to contact me, you can contact me at info or at, my name is actually Ivy Bina, I'm the founder CEO. You can contact me here at ivybina@tynka.org, or you can contact us at info@tynka.org, or visit our website www.tynka.org. And we are currently live beta testing on App Play Store, and that App Store is coming pretty soon. We are working on that. And then you can also find me on Instagram at Tynka Global. So definitely, as Tynka, we are building dreams and partnerships. So if you would like to partner up in Tynka, please feel free to contact me. If you would like to give us suggestions, if you like anything, if you would also like to be a client, if you'd like to be an investor, feel free to contact me at any time. Yes, so that is Tynka. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with me anywhere. I am always available to listen. Yes. Sorry, Anne, we can't hear you. You've muted your mic.
Sorry. Hi. So yes, I was just saying, Ivy, it's great to see the great work you're doing at Tynka, whereby you're helping people build their dreams, connecting people through partnerships. It is amazing what young Africans are doing, and young African women, it's a beautiful thing, because definitely without connection, without knowing what it is, you can't do business. You've built a platform that people can communicate, can engage, and so that builds trust, and hopefully due diligence is done on these different people. So yes, there are a few questions that are coming your way. I'll say just let's wait for the other businesses to go ahead and do their presentation, and then we'll answer the questions. But continue doing this great work. And I also love the fact that you call yourself Tynka Global. You're not limiting yourself to the country that you reside in. Solutions are global, and you're offering that from wherever you are in Africa. So that is amazing. And this is the new Africa of young African women, young African men doing amazing things and providing solutions for the world and for the African continent, knowing exactly what is needed on this continent. So thank you, Ivy.